Okay, so when I show you this, this is actual flow or workflow in any end, any end, right? Now, is it easy or hard? Well, I will find that this is difficult, right, for beginner. Now, why? Because when learning something new, like this lady is learning how to drive a forklift, right? This is new. It's the first because the brain is building entirely new neural pathway. It's very new, right? So it's like which button you press. But there are proven strategies that can make the process easier. Yes, make the process easier and more effectively. How? First, you break it down. Yes, and break the new concept or skill into smaller manageable parts. So instead of learning the whole end, right? Although it's like, oh, that's simple, but let's just start with something easier, right? The first one is just email trigger, right? That will be easier for the brain to take it on, right? So just one function. The second method is use active learning. Now practice again and again, and in fact, you can teach others or ask questions or solve a problem instead of just reading or watching. This is effective. Practice the small thing, the small step. Engaging actively with the material helps deepens understanding and memory. Right? So, example, if you're learning a new language, try speaking it rather than just reading the textbook. Right? Read it out to others. Read it out to yours. Right? It's the same. Right? The third is the spaced repetitions. Repetition is the mother of learning, right? Review the material multiple times over days. Yes, over days. Weeks, not all at once. The spacing strengthens long-term memory. Reduce forgetting. Use fresh cuts with increasing intervals. So that's all this can help you to learn easier. The fourth one, apply it to real life. Link what you're learning to real situation and tasks. Now, for example, the forklift, right? Well, there is really a real usage in a real situation, right? You live up the things, so the brain retains information better when it feels useful or relevant, right? So, this is useful. Like I created this thing called a QR code, right? So, is that useful, right? Obviously, yes, right? Because it can easily to scan the QR code and access my website, right? So yeah, that's why Excel is when I design, right, design something that is useful, right, can related. The fifth one, use visuals or analogies. Use diagram, mind maps, different colors, in comparison to to familiar things. Visual and metaphor make abstract ideas more concrete and memorable. Think of learning a new software like learning to drive a different car. Well, controls may change, but the logic remains. Right? So, six, stay consistent, not perfect. Now, this is the hardest because most people practice a lot in one day, then they forget it. That's all. Because the truth is, practice a little every day, even if it's just 15 and 30 minutes. That will build your your strength. You feel like, yeah, that's the easier from tough, right? Because it's easy step, small step, you can, right? Consistently builds momentum and confidence without overwhelming you. Set a daily learning sprint time, same place, same time. And the last one is self-compassion. Has a growth mindset. Remind yourself that struggle is normal and part of the growth process. Struggle is normal, part of the growth process. Keep you motivated and reduce fear of failure. Well, yes, right. I'm not failing. I'm learning, right? So when you are learning, you're not feeling right. You just want to know that what's the best way. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Why? Why this is easier? Why this can be learned is because 1 plus 1 equal to 2 is in small chunk. It's easy to manage. Right? When it's too much, it can't. The mind say, okay, I give up. Right? When you give them too much, I give up. So every human the same. Okay. So how do you learn the this N8N, right? So first of all, we got to start teach you how to add a Gmail trigger. It's just that first step. Add Gmail trigger. If you can add Gmail trigger, we can show you how to next, where you can uh, get an AI agent, right? So you select an AI agent. So that's 2 steps. Add Gmail a trigger, add this. So you practice again and again, and after that you have the next one, which is to write a prompt. Okay. So 3 steps seems easy, right? And easy means it's effective. But if it's too much, it's not going to be effective. Right? It's just showing you that you are expert, but you can't transfer the knowledge to others. And thanks for watching, right? And here is the 7 step that you can when you come to learn something new, right? In this era, you want to learn something new, you better break it down into chunking it, right? Into smaller one, and use active learning, practice, teach others, space repetitions, review the material multiple times, right? And apply it to real life, right? If you can think about it, how can I use it in real life, right? So use visuals and analogy, stay consistent, yep, practice it a little every single day. 7, right? Love yourself, right? Keep you motivated. Remind yourself that there will be a little struggle, but it's not too much. And have a growth mindset, because you will get better and better. Just improve 1% every day, right? Thanks for watching. This video is recorded for you, for myself, for my kids.